My name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to properly set a post with the Rapid Set concrete mix and be able to build on it the same day. Let's build something cool. So I'm doing an addition on my son's playscape today, so we're going to have to mix and pour some concrete and set these posts. By the way, these posts are 12 feet long. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, can't we just do a dry pour with the red bag and call it a day? Absolutely. You can do a dry pour with it. Heck, I do dry pour with posts all the time. I've done it on my cyclone fence, my privacy fence, but I want to be able to build a structure on this today. And with the Rapid Set concrete mix, I can actually build a structure on this in 1 hour. You can't do that with the red bag. It says on the back of the bag, wait 4 hours before post is subject to any strain. What does that even mean? With the Rapid Set concrete mix, I'm gonna have 3,000 PSI in 1 hour. In 1 hour, I can build whatever I want on this post, which is a good thing because I wanna get this done before my son gets home from school. So let's get to it. Obviously, you wanna start off by staking off the area and locate where your posts are gonna go. Now, since I've only got 2 posts to do today, I'm just gonna use a simple hand post hole digger. But if you've got a lot of posts to do, I would rent yourself a motorized post hole digger. Maybe even get a friend to help you. But these manual post hole diggers, they can actually make quick work of a couple of post holes. A couple of good tips to make things go a little bit smoother. I always like to put a tarp out for all the soil that I'm going to excavate. Makes cleanup a lot easier. Another good tip is I actually mark my depth on the post hole digger. It gives me kind of a quick reference so I know how much farther I have to go. Now, check with your local code, but in my state, we've got to dig down at least 42 inches to get past the frost line. Now, I'm going to dig down about 44 inches to give myself 2 inches for gravel. It's very important to put about 2 inches of gravel at the bottom for drainage. Now we've got our hole dug and our drainage gravel in there. Now we just gotta make sure that these posts are plumb. So we're gonna do that by using our level and placing it on 2 faces, making sure that we're straight this way and this way. We're going to temporarily screw these scrap pieces of wood in place to keep it nice and plumb while we pour our concrete. And after 1 hour, we can detach these and get to work. All right, now it's time to mix and pour. As usual, we're gonna start off with 5 quarts of water. Then go ahead and pour your concrete into the bucket. I always use an 18-volt drill to mix, but make sure that you put it on low speed, high torque. Otherwise, you're gonna kill your battery and your drill at the same time. Then just go ahead and pour the concrete into the hole. Now this would be a good time to check your plumb again, just to make sure. As far as how many bags you're gonna need, just figure 1 bag per post.
think it's ready. Well, it's time to build because I ain't got much time left, so.
Done just in time, which is a good thing because little builds, he's home.
So I want some. What is all this? Oh God!
Isn't that cool? It's not done yet.
I love it! I love it! Not done yet? What more pieces do you have to add?
There's gonna be a rock climbing wall on the other side over there. We're gonna have one of those nets that hang, and you can swing underneath it.
Okay, let me go. Hello down there.
What do you think?
That's very good.
Maybe we can add a zip line. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. I love it.
But that's how it's done. That's how you pour a post properly. But I absolutely could not have gotten this done same day had I done a dry pour post. I absolutely would not have been able to build a structure on these posts 1 hour after pouring them without the rapid set concrete mix. It's not 100% complete, ran out of time. Still want to make a rock climbing wall on the other side over there with some steps as well. We're gonna have a rope ladder, gonna have like I don't know what you call it, a hanging kid basket from underneath. It's gonna be pretty cool.